Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I will say off the bat I am a little bit wheezy today and I've got a bit of a croaky throat. This hay fever's absolutely doing my head in. And it's windy again. Shock horror. But you'll all laugh at this. I did say in my last video that I might have overdone it and I might have to move things around, and I have realised that I'm going to have to move some things around because I have not planned this as well as I thought. Look how big, let me get this canary island palm out of the way. Look how big that dahlia is already. So I know for a fact that is going to outgrow that space. This is going to be absolutely ginormous. So I'm hoping, I don't know why I said I'm hoping, this is what I'm going to do. I'm not hoping at all. So I'm going to dig up this dahlia and I'm going to put it where I put the lobelia. So I'm going to move the lobelia, and I'm also going to move my Colocasia esculenta, purely because, like I said, this is going to get way too big for the space. You're not going to be able to see the Canary Island date palm, and my Calamucifolia grande is already getting quite enormous leaves. I obviously knew that was going to grow up and be big, but I didn't want the dahlia growing up and being big here and blocking all that, so I'm going to move that to there. I'm going to move the Colocasia. Come on, phone, focus. It's going to move. Come on. There we go. We're going to stop pointing like that. So I'm going to move that to here. And the lobelia, I'm going to split them, and I'm going to put one lobelia where the Colocasia is. Come on, phone. Focus. And then I'm going to put the rest of the lobelia where the dahlia is. The croton, I'm really not sure. I might leave the croton there, but I'm thinking of either putting the croton over here, and just excuse the mess because it's just, we just won't go there. Or I might put it out the front because this angel wings is getting so big and I can't even describe how quickly this is growing. I mean, I've got 3 leaves growing on each one at a time. I cut off probably about 10 leaves earlier today while I was doing a bit of garden maintenance and making things look a bit tidier. So that is going to rapidly grow bigger than my phone is doing my head in today. I'm sorry that it's not focusing. So like I said, that is going to grow way bigger than the croton, and the croton's going to be lost and you're not going to be able to see it. And obviously I want to be able to see the croton. So I'm going to start waffling now and just get on with it. So I will cut back to where the plant's going to be. You all know how to dig plants out, I'm sure. You don't need to watch me dig plants out. So like I said, I'll just cut back to once I have moved everything around. I'm actually really surprised by this, of how big it is. When it was over there, you really couldn't see the size of it. I've actually got a lot of nice growth on it. Popped out the ground really well, took all the roots. So I'm actually excited to have that there, and plus gives a bit of symmetry because I've got one there, I'll have one there, and I've got another one there, and I've got another one there. And we all like a bit of symmetry in the garden. So that's the Colocasia in. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Nice bit of symmetry, haven't it? And I think I'm going to put a... oh, why does my head always go blank when I'm trying to think of something? I'm going to put the Lobelia cardinalis, Queen Victoria. God, I'm getting so croaky. So I'm going to put that in there because what I'm already seeing is I've got a lot of pinks and purples. I want some more reds. I want some blacks and I want some reds, just to offset all these pinks and purples. I'm not even sure if you'll be able to see this. So that one's there planted. So I know how big it got last year, so I'm hoping that will grow right up through. Now, try to dig out this, I need some begonia then, the dahlia. So this actually lifted out a lot easier than I thought it was going to, so that's all right. You can see it's quite big already, so I've dug a nice big hole for it. I'm just going to fill that back in, and hopefully I've given that enough space each side to come upwards. Now, looking at the space I've got available, I'm going to move this croton from there to sort of slap bang in the middle. That'll give it the most sun, and hopefully the angel wings won't overtake it. So here's my little plant reshuffle. There's me croton. I've put my other little lobelia there. Me dahlias over there, and then down here I've got 2 more lobelias. I'm not sure what I'm going to do this. Hopefully this will all fill itself in. I don't know what, thinking about it. Now I'm looking at it, I should have brought this lobelia to sort of here. Oh well, I'll give it a couple of weeks and see what it looks like. If I need to bring that forward, I will do. And don't forget, like I said in another video, don't be afraid to like dig your plants out. If you don't like the placement or you don't think it's going to work, just dig them up, put them somewhere else. I sort of knew I was going to dig them up. I'll try and cover my microphone because it's getting a bit windy again. And the reason I've dug them up now and not in a month's time is because I wouldn't be able to get to them. The garden's starting to fill out so much already that I just wouldn't have been able to get in there as easily as I could do today. So yeah, I think the croton's going to like that spot. It's definitely more in the sun than it was than underneath the banana. The weather is starting to improve. We've had the most torrential rain the last couple of days, which is great for the garden but not great for us. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.